Essay Monsoon or a rainy day with quotation. The coming of the monsoon signals relief from the scorching summer heat. Following the footprints of summer comes the monsoon. It generally starts from mid-June and continues till September. Dark and gloomy grey skies are a common sight during this season, which signify the much awaited rain. It's always a nice day above the clouds. At the start of monsoon, people extend their umbrellas, raincoats, and gumboots. They seem very excited at times to have a shower in the rain. Sometimes it is beautiful to watch children making paper boats and floating them in the waterlogged streets. The only thing I shall want for a rainy day will be my umbrella. The monsoon is a blessing for the farmers across the country as well as for agriculture. Farmers wait eagerly for the monsoon as the rains are very important for the growth of crops. During the monsoon, the fields, crops, trees, and plants come alive. Last Friday I had holiday. Strong wind was blowing. People were praying to God for rain. Soon dark clouds appeared from the north and covered the sky. At about 2 o'clock, it began to rain cats and dogs. To rain cats and dogs means to rain heavily. बहुत तेज बारिश होना, मूसलाधार बारिश होना. The streets were soon full of water. There was ankle-deep water everywhere. Young and old, all were bathing in the rain. Children were running in the streets. They were floating paper boats on the surface of water. It stopped raining after 3 hours. It became a very pleasant day. The rainy season is not devoid of its disadvantages. Sometimes the blessings of this season are transformed into a curse on account of natural calamities and disasters. When the monsoon does not arrive on time, drought occurs. Very heavy rainfall causes extensive damage to crops. Overflowing of rivers causes floods that damage property, fields, and crops, largely and loss of life. In hilly areas, landslides during the monsoon is very common. Several viral diseases are seen to occur among the masses during this season. You pray for rain, you gotta deal with mud too. That's part of it. To conclude, we can say that the blessings of the monsoon surpass its curses and disadvantages. The entire life on earth circles around the monsoon. Thus, the coming of the monsoon heralds a message of creation and rebirth. A person should always be willing to adjust for a rainy day. That was a good attitude in all of life. So here I have given the glossary of difficult words. You can find out the meanings of difficult words here. Such as footprints means footsteps or footmarks. Disrupts means damage or causing a disturbance. Inconvenience means trouble or state of being troublesome. Waterlogged. Waterlogged means full of water. यहाँ जो सड़कें बारिश के बाद सड़कों पे पानी आ जाता है, ज़ेरे आब आ जाती हैं सड़कें, उसको बोलते हैं वाटर लॉग्ड. Eagerly, keenly. Calamities, disasters, or a great misfortune. Landslides, a collapse of a mass of earth or rock from a mountain or cliff. Rockfall or landslip. Surpass, excel, be better than, be greater than. Scorching, extremely hot. Adjust, modify or alter. Divide, without. Students, I have prepared this essay especially for the students of grade 10 and 12. ग्रेड 10 के स्टूडेंट्स को 150 to 200 वर्ड्स तक का ऐसे लिखना होता है, जबकि जो सेकेंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उनको 300 to 400 वर्ड्स का ऐसे लिखना होता है। ग्रेड 10 के स्टूडेंट्स को ये थोड़ा लेंथी लग सकता है, लेकिन मैंने चूंकि दोनों क्लासेस को ध्यान में रख के ये ऐसे प्रिपेयर किया है, इसलिए ये थोड़ा लेंथी है। लेकिन ग्रेड 10 के स्टूडेंट्स क्या कर सकते हैं कि आपको अगर ऐसे आता है अ रेनी डे पे, जो आपके स्मार्ट सिलेबस में इंक्लूड है ये टाइटल, तो आप क्या करेंगे कि थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग का की जो स्लाइड है उसमें आप मानसून के बारे में बताएंगे कि मानसून सीजन जो है वो कब से कब तक स्टार्ट होता है। उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप उसमें जो एंडिंग स्लाइड्स पे मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर डे मेंशन किया है, अ रेनी डे, आप उस स्लाइड को याद करें, आप सिर्फ वो इंसिडेंट याद करें, उसमें कोटेशंस ऐड करें, उसके बाद उसको कंक्लूड कर दें एंड दैट ऐसे वुड बी इनफ फॉर यू। आपको पूरा ऐसे याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें मैंने एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस भी मैंने किए हैं, उसको कंक्लूड भी किया है, बट दैट इज़ फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ग्रेड 12, वो उनके लिए ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है। लेकिन ग्रेड 10 जो है उनके लिए इसमें काफ़ी मटेरियल जो है वो मौजूद है। आई होप कि आपको ये ऐसे जो है ये आपके लिए इफेक्टिव होगा, आपको अच्छा लगेगा, आपके लिए ईजी होगा। एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल।